In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default account for sending messages in Outlook Mail Merge. Whether you're managing multiple email accounts or just need to make sure you're sending from the correct address, learning to switch your default account can save you time and help you stay organized. Let's dive in and get started. Once you're ready to go and have signed into your Outlook desktop app, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. It can be a bit hectic at first glance with all your emails and folders neatly arranged, but don't worry. We'll break things down step by step. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the familiar option to create a new mail. Click on New Mail, and this will bring up a fresh email window ready for you to compose your message. Now that you're in the New Mail window, take a look just beside the Send button. You'll notice there's a small drop-down arrow here. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on this drop-down, you'll be able to start a mail merge. This option is crucial because it allows you to select which email account you would like to use for sending your messages. At this point, you might observe that your default mail account is always conveniently listed at the top of this drop-down menu. It's designed this way to make your frequently used email account easily accessible. If this is the account you wish to send from, simply make sure it is selected. If not, you can choose another account from the list provided. This flexibility ensures you always have control over which address your emails are being sent from, which is particularly useful when handling different projects or correspondences that require a specific email identity. Once you have your sending account selected, whether it's the default or another one, it's time to start populating the recipient and craft your email message. With the account selection set, fill in the recipient's details, the subject line, and compose your message as you normally would. Remember, this selected account is what will appear in the recipient's inbox, so double check before hitting send. After everything is set up to your liking, go ahead and click that Send button. Your mail merge will now operate using your chosen account, and your email will be sent off to its intended recipient. By following these steps, you ensure your email is sent from the correct account, giving you control over your email communications and maintaining professionalism in all your correspondences. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to change your default account for sending messages in Outlook Mail Merge. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks in using Outlook optimally.